Hello, this is Mike Meyer, creator of the R.E.M quote tool, and in this session I am going to show you how to print a proposal. The first thing we're going to do is get into the tool. We're going to make sure that the census data is correct. In this particular group, the boss only wants to work with the management, which is the top 11 employees. So you'll see I have an X over on the right side here for all of the employees below that. And when I come up to the top of column F here and I click this box, notice in the blue column all the ages go to 0. So now we only have 10 people in our quote. Also want to make sure that the state is correct. We're going to figure this for Oklahoma, and then we can go into the tool, which is the blue tab, and I am going to make sure that our product mix is correct how we want, and all of that, and that's fine. I've done that on other videos, so I'm just going to come over here. We're not talking groups, so I'll shrink that. This particular boss is going to be paying for a $1,000 medical bridge for the employees, and we've set the employer pays 100% on the employees. We've selected the plan 2 on the medical bridge. We've selected the level at 1,000. I particularly like option 3 because I don't see enough cost difference to justify going to a lower amount and trying to explain that, quite frankly. He's also going to be paying for a critical illness because these are extremely favorable rates. $5,000 policy will be fine. We don't have any underwriting considerations for a group of 5 anyway, so we've selected the subsequent diagnosis, health screening rider, and HSA compliant plan. I personally like that, so if the group ever goes to a HSA later, you don't have to scramble and get them a plan that makes them non-compliant. I have the employer paying 100% of this particular of the employees on this as well. So all the rates are showing up there. We're not going to be doing an accident, but we are going to be doing a disability. And on this one, I apologize, we have $1,000 of disability. The employer is going to be paying for half of that, and the employer is going to be paying for a 3-month short-term disability. They are a AA risk, and it's going to be on-off job, so we verified that. So now we have those 3 particular products. So we're going to start up here. We're going to hold down the left button. We're going to highlight these 3 products, and once we've done that, then we can print. If I don't double click, it'll be great. And we're going to print the selection, and we can look at the preview to see what that'll look like. And there's the 3 products that we have set up. That is how you come up with a proposal. You shrink, let's get out of this. You shrink down the products in between by selecting the black line and just reducing it. If you made a mistake, you can come over here and click on that to make it bigger again. Or if you can't get to it, because some mouses are kind of touchy, come over to the far left here. 1 contracts everything, and 2 expands everything, and then you can start from scratch. That is how you use the tool for printing a proposal. I am Mike Meyer, 402-882-0564, or Mike at remquote.com. Thanks very much. I hope this has been helpful.